buddy. Rah.
Dinosaur.
He's eating something. What is it? You.
Well, applause. You think you're quite the ordeal. So, did you find out what the Western Holy Church really is? Yeah, here's the thing. This eternity was talking about what purpose? Yes, the requirement of 3 votes to move forward on a proposal is from the time when they were 17 months. So, we know that this guy really was the demon Lord Valentine. I wonder what he's doing in the inner sanctum. Most likely
Now preparing baby's food. So. Nope. Coco's still eating. Let's see Yuna. Yuna's finished eating. Devoured! Blue.
Okay.
That's so smoky.
It's like a.
Really? I want one. Huh?
Well, one eating mango chip.
Huh? Like boom, 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 boom. Turupa.
Is it hourly stretch and fold? Yeah.
It's 5:38 and we're going to go for a walk. Love me.
Okay.
You love me.
Burn.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, babies. My babies. We're going to a bakery at Como. Oh, looks so good. Morning.
Perfume, this one.
This one. Yum. Oh yeah.
Pistachio. Ooh, yum.
Pistachio and chocolate, was it?
Yes.
Ah yeah. Definitely have to get one of those.
Also very popular.
The smell reminds me. Oh, I get.
Alright, I got. Well, I'll put this one for you, alright? Cheers. How's everything?
Oh, so good. Thank you. Thanks to Hailey. What's up, Pepper? So cute.
Yes. Hello.
Let's go, baby. So we're gonna feed Coco. Not eating it. Sorry. It's Coco's. No kissing.
Oh, I'm the monkey.
Monkey.
I already walked.
Yeah.
That's good. It's good because.
Broken. It's broken, mate. Time for dinner. Dinner. This is Yuna. This is Huyo. Need to fry eggs for the sandwich. I have 4.
No idea what I'm wearing to Coachella. Coachella is in.
Good morning, everybody. So today is Monday morning, and I just dropped off Daniel at the train station. Today's plan is to clean the house, clean the house, do the meal prep for this week's. I decided to make a bread as well, so I'm very excited about it. Of a coffee. I usually make 2 sets of coffee for me, so I will drink a double espresso, and then I will also drink like a black coffee, like a long black or Americano. But yeah, so I'm gonna make my coffee now. So yesterday I've tried pretty good. I mean, I'm just gonna leave it there and then I'm gonna let it rest for 20 minutes and then we'll do our second stretch and fold. So we're doing our second stretch and fold. I have my raisin here. I'm just gonna make sure your hands. So this is our second stretch and fold. Then we're gonna do the same thing. Gonna just put a cover and then we'll leave it on the corner again. So to be our third fold, I believe. Look at her. Anyways, this is our third fold. I have right now it's quite cold here, so I have my heating pad thing that I put it underneath of the dough, so it, like, you know, it ferments a bit faster. And then I'm just gonna open another packet. So this is our fourth fold, stretch and fold. This will be our last, and I'm just gonna let it like ferment on the side in the warmer glaze. So I'll check in with you guys once the bulk ferment is done, but I think it's gonna take a while because it's quite cold in our house, and I will see you guys a bit later. Bye. So I've just done my last stretch and fold for my cinnamon raisin sourdough loaf, and then I'm just gonna edit the video that I have in here. I think it's last week's video, and then we're gonna do a time lapse for it. So okay, so this is a little update. You can hear the doggos. Still not finished editing the vlog from last week. It was a long vlog because we had a long weekend because it was Good Friday. And I'm feeding the babies now. And I actually started cooking our dinner for today. I mean for this week's dinner. So I'm gonna start feeding the baby. If you can hear them, they're very hungry, but yeah, just feed them. and haven't done shit. So, oh well, sort of. But simmer, and Daniel will be home at 3, and I'm actually running behind, so I better get going. Okay. We're going to feed them. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. I have to put the dishes away. That's what I need to do. And cut the fruit. Stop. Is my world. So we are going for our walk now. This is their second walk of the day, and it's Monday. So funny. So funny.